Okay, so in the last part of our training today, we're going to introduce ourselves to what is called pivot table. Pivot table is used to summarize data in Excel. And like we have seen in the previous class, we can also, when you have a large data, you connect you connect using Power Pivot or Power Query and load to data model directly without bringing data into your Excel. But in this case, since we have a small data, we have already loaded data into the Excel, and we are going to analyze the data we use under Power Query to do this analysis. So we start from table one, which was loaded from the Power Query editor. So to insert pivot table, click on insert, and you have pivot table on the left side. Click on pivot table, and it's asking select the data side. Select your data. You have your data already. Good. And where do you want your pivot table to go? You can say you want it in a new worksheet or
Yes,
existing worksheet. Depend on you. You want new worksheet. Afresh.
let's use new so that we don't mess with data.
Okay. So we have in the new worksheet. So we're going to start with what? Let's quickly see where we'll start from. Let's bring the employee ID. We want to know how many staff do we even have together. Employee ID or employee name. We didn't check for duplicate in that data. So it's
No, we
sum.
didn't.
Can you see that we want to know the number of employees we have? What do we have here? Sum of employee ID. This is the reason why I always prefer to use them as a text format. Because we can change it from here and change it to count. Just count instead of sum. Number of employees. So we can change this instead of count on employee ID. That's okay. Total number of employees. Number of what? Employees. That is it. Yeah, because these are false tables in this analysis. Okay, good. Let me copy this and take it here. Let's do more. What else again can we do? How many departments do we have? How many departments do we have? So we can remove this and go and look for a department. And put department into this analysis, and that is it. We have how many departments do we have again? Can this be correct? No. You cannot have this number of departments. And do we have distinct count here? No. No, we don't have distinct count here. Mm, no. You can't work it. There are two ways by which you can do this. You can use Excel. There's a way you can do that in Excel, and there's a way you can do it in Power Query. So if you do Power Query, it will lead us to Power Pivot also, because we'll create a new table. You can create a new table and remove all duplicates from there. Okay, so, but now let's see. Let's see. I think let me remove that for now because there is no distinct count
Anyway,
in a pivot table. There's no distinct count. That would have removed all duplicates in pivot table. But let's see something again that we can use for that area. Let's look at something again. And you can see we can count number of employees, position ID, state. Okay. Because I want us to have, we need to have,
the
some
total salary of all employee.
total salaries per, yeah, total salary from all the employees. Yes, that can also be good. Total
Yeah,
salary
that's
can
salary.
come. Yes, total salary can come to that. And then, so that all those one will be like our KPIs. Yes, okay. total salary. You can name it, you can rename this, call it total. Okay, let me copy this again onto C, and let's come here, or let's stay there. Let's see the total salary by department. Copy this now to B. Let's see total salary by department. I can take my department from here and drag it into row. You can see that we have these are the total salary by department. Now, let's copy, or before copying, let's go back to the data table here. Let's click on insert and go back to table. Select existing worksheet, select a location, and let's come back here and pick somewhere here and hit OK. So we want to put on that one here. Now, I want us to analyze the employee data. Let's focus on employee data and let's see how, let's check their performance and other things there. So let's click on employee, number of employee that we have earlier. And bring it here, number of employee can come here, 311. And we want to see their breakdown by marital status. Let's see their citizen description. We have eligible non-citizens 12, non-citizens 4, and US citizens 25. That is it. You can see that it's very easy. Pivot table is make it easy for us to quickly analyze and summarize our data. Right. So you can copy and you can insert a new one. You can copy, but when you are copying data, make sure you copy everything. When you copy, if you copy part of a table like this, pivot table like this, if you copy part like this, it's not what I copy is not pivot table. If I click on it, you can see that there's no field list beside it. Are you seeing? There's no field list. If I click on this, you can see a field list. If I click on this, no field list. There's no field list on this one. So when you are copying, make sure you copy everything. You must cover everything when you are copying. Control C and Control V. So this analysis, we have the attack. Where's the okay recruitment source? Where we got them from? Where we got them from? We got people from LinkedIn, from Career Builder. You can see where they come from, and do the same thing here. Copying this, and I can paste it here. I want to remove this department, and I want to bring the reason why they terminate the employment. Terminated this, and see the reason for the termination, different reasons for the termination here, and the people who are still in employment still have. Oh, this is based on salary. Let's remove salary. Let's remove the salary. You can see it's a drag and drop of a thing.
Yes.
Drag and drop of a thing. I'm dragging this. So you can see now people who are stuck from who move on that position, and the reason for termination is this: we have attendance due to identity, due to career change, due to fatal attraction, due to gross misconduct, and other reasons. So unhappy, these were unhappy why they left, that reason, and but these people are still in employment. So in this case, I can filter this out. Since employment is saying this guy is in employment, I can just click on this, the employee, and check this out. Sorry, select all and uncheck. I need to uncheck that only. I need to uncheck that. unemployed, so that will not show in my data. So when we are working with people who are sacked or who whatever, you can see them as 104. And based on this data too, I don't know. This and that, I don't think these people are sacked too. I think they are on another location. Let's check something here. Let's go to data and see those who are under position and see what happens to them. That position, termination reason, and that position. We have them here. Let's sort them below and see. To know their status. Okay, voluntarily terminated. It means they are terminated. On that position, they are voluntarily they left. So you can see their termination reason. So you can remove it. So we have seen the kind of people who are there. So which means that we can still leave them as part of people who have lost a job. So you can analyze based on the sex. Okay, married maybe male and female, and how many male, how many female in total. Let's quickly do that also. Control C. That's their gender status. Gender, according to this. So basically, in most cases, you can see that we are using more of rows. We are using more of rows. If you want to use this column, you can bring something to column. So you can see the kind of spread we have, diversity, or we can swap this. And swap this. I think this makes more sense. We have them like this, and we can bring this text to column to see the break. Now, let's now look into pivot table itself. Now we have seen how pivot table works. Let's now quickly look into pivot table and see what one or two things we can learn from it. I'm going to click on pivot table here, and you can see pivot table analyzer. So here you can change the name. You can give it a name, any name of your choice. I'll give the name here. Let's call this one employee by what? By marital status. Employee by marital. Oh, there's no space. There's no space. That's called marital. Marital. So that is the name of this table. I've named it. Now, come here also. You can see we have page settings. This is where you can change either sum or count or anything. You can do that there. Then we have like I will go there. Then the field list. Sometimes this field list may disappear. When you can't find your field list, just come here and then check this field list. It will show automatically. When you click on the portable, you can't find your field list. Just go to here and then get the field list for yourself. Then here we have what is called a calculated field. We will not doing this okay item for now. Let's go to design. Design, you can remove the subtotal. All the total that was shown that is being shown you can remove subtotal. This is you join together. Okay. So you want to show total or subtotal, I want to remove total or subtotal, go to design and subtotal line. You do not show subtotal for row and column. And if you want to show this also the grand total too. Grand total, you can off grand total for row and column. And then when you want to do pivot table, you want to do pivot chart, really, you don't need total. You don't need grand total for either column or row. So go to design again. And we also have what is called the layout. Layout come in different forms. You can see different layouts. Let's look at this one that has a column and row. I click on this, I can change we have compact form. We also have outline form. I see that it has changed. We also have what is called tabular form. This is tabular form. In most cases, you are likely to use this tabular form in most cases because it makes something very simple. Especially when you have two columns, when you have more than one column, it's always good to sort to tabular form. The row header, all these row and column, you want to show them, or you want to hide them, you can do what you want. You can look at how you are branding style. And you can select any style from here also, and go ahead to do more with your pivot table. Then a blank row. Sometimes you want to insert a blank row after each item. You can insert a blank row after each item. For example, let's look at this. Let me copy this and paste it here. I want to use number of employee, and let's look at department. I'm bringing the department into this row, and other department I'm bringing their age band under the department. So you can see that we now have them under each other. Now I can say, okay, I want after each row, I want to insert a line. Insert blank row after each. And you see that after each row, there is a tabular form. There is a row after there is a straight line after each of the heading. After this, we have total. We have subtotal and we have total. You can remove the subtotal and remove total. So these are just some of the ways by which you can format your report table. And here we can off total for row or for column, total, row branding, and the rest. So I think we've gotten to the end of uh, today's class now, and tomorrow we're going to continue from here, and we're going to focus on we're going to start pivot chart and dashboard tomorrow. We're going to do this pivot chart, dashboard, and slider tomorrow. Okay. Any question?
Uh, uh, no question for now.
But we start working on it. No
Yeah,
problem.
sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Have a lovely day.
You too. Thank you very much.
Bye.